Hello, this is the TradeSite US Forex Market Preview. Forex Market Preview, an international economic data roadmap for the week beginning Sunday, the 23rd of December 2018, and ending Friday, the 28th. So we've got this is the last week of the year. It's usually a very slow week, especially in the stock markets, but probably even in Forex. Everybody's on vacation for the holidays. And then we have Monday of next week is New Year's Eve, and then New Year's Day is a holiday, and then we start to get back to it after that. So I don't know what to expect. Usually not much, and we haven't seen much. Look how flat this has been. Dollar index has been incredibly flat since May. This has been back to one of the lightest ranged 7 or 8 months that we've seen in a long time. I mean, we were dead flat from middle May until middle of September. We kind of inched up a little higher in October, and then we were dead flat for 3 months. It's not tradable. So there's not much to say. There's no patterns when you don't move. Here's the euro dollar. Has not moved either. Almost a seeker buy signal. If you got 2 more down days, we'd get a 13 buy signal there. We did get one on the pound this week, so there's a 13 buy signal in place. That was the bottom day, but we have not exactly bounced back up because we haven't done anything for a while. Aussie dollar here dipped a little bit late in the week. Not much. Look how flat the euro yen is. There's a 13 buy signal there about 2 weeks ago. And that didn't mean anything either. Pound yen, nothing. I mean, there's just nothing going on these charts. There's nothing to talk about from a pattern perspective, unfortunately. Let's look at the intra-week action. Euro dollar high to low for the week, about 160 pips. There was a move on Tuesday, and there was a move on Friday on news, but that was about it. The pound high to low for the week, and a little bit more, 270 pips or so. Monday was a good day. We had a good day Wednesday. We had a couple of winners, but it wasn't anything dramatic. And there's really nothing much to talk about. Let's just focus on what's left for the year, and we'll have another preview next Friday to end the year and start the new one. So Sunday, Japan's on a bank holiday. Remember, Monday, U.S., we have that half day for the stock market here in the U.S. for Christmas Eve, and then Tuesday, everything's closed. So mostly for the first 2 days of the week, you've just got bank holidays. Going into Wednesday, you've got Japan's got their core CPI, and you've still got Switzerland, most of Europe, Germany, Italy, UK, Canada, they're still on holiday. They take Wednesday off too. So they're off Christmas Day and the day after. Good for them. The U.S. is open again with their housing price index at 9 a.m. That takes us already to Thursday already. The housing starts number out of Japan, Credit Suisse economic expectations out of Switzerland, ECB economic bulletin out of Europe. The unemployment claims, that's the weekly initial and continuing claims number at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on Tuesday. HPI, the housing price index at 9 here. CB consumer confidence at 10, along with new home sales. You jump to Thursday evening, core CPI and the unemployment rate out of Japan, and then their retail sales number, along with their industrial production number. Friday, we've got the German preliminary CPI, Spanish CPI, high street lending out of the UK, 10-year bond auction out of Italy, the trade balance number here in the U.S., preliminary wholesale inventories here in the U.S., Chicago PMI at 9:45 on Friday here in the U.S. Pending home sales at 10. Crude oil inventories at 10:30 because of the holiday. I'm sorry, natty gas is at 10:30 because of the holiday. Crude oil is at 11, and that will wrap up the week. So nothing major in terms of news or anything that we care about. Again, without any movement in the last couple of weeks, it's hard to believe there'll be any now. We'll make some minor calls, and go half size. And that'll be it. Charts as usual brought to you by eSignal. If you've not yet taken a trial of our services, feel free to do so. We will help you out for a couple of weeks. Have a great trading week, and have a great Christmas and New Year.